Hello there.
Alrighty then. My mum has asked me to fit a new hypersonic steering wheel knob as her old one has collapsed on her. So here we go. Let's get in there and give that a go. Blimey, it's sweltering in here. What's the temperature out? About 30 degrees, which is positively boiling for the UK. Let's get the engine started, get some air conditioning on. Because I can't stand it, man. I can't stand it. Okay. So firstly, we've got to remove this one, which should be the same as the one I'm installing. Yeah, it looks like there's an Allen key around the back. Let's have a look. Can you see that? Yeah, that's an Allen key. So we need to unscrew that. Oh, okay, so we've got a little manual here. Shouldn't need that. Shouldn't need that at all. That's the replacement one. Well, it's actually a lot bigger. Okay, well, I hope my mum can get her hands around it. Yeah, that is a lot bigger. And then it has two other pieces in. Brackets to hold it in. Oh, and some rubber. What does that say? OK Jaws. OK Jaws. Right, this, and there should be a little packet which I've now lost. Oh no, it's in my other hand. Okay, so in there it's got another rubber washer, but not a regular round washer. Okay, Jaws, Allen key and the bolts. Right, so hopefully this Allen key is going to fit the old one. Here we go. Oh, it's in, it's in, it's in. I'm undoing it. I'm doing it up clockwise. That's a bit foolish, isn't it? I need to do it counterclockwise. And now I can't find the hole. Oh, come on. Don't mess with me, man. Oh, it's all going semi-well. Have I rounded it off? Oh, no, there we go. Right, we're in. Right, counterclockwise. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's nice and loose already. I should be able to run it with my fingernail. There we go. Tickety-boo. Tickety-boo, everyone. Except I haven't done the one at the bottom. Okay, can you see that? The one at the bottom. That's already loose. Okay. There we go. It's coming now. It's coming now. That's good. That's good. Stay there. You stay there. You come up there. And this is where it falls onto my unmentionables. Oh, that got it. Oh, geez, that leaves quite an imprint, doesn't it? Look at that. That's quite an imprint. This rubber pad needs to wrap round. I'm just wondering if it's too long. Let me just test this off camera. Okay, so it does appear to fit. I've just tightened up everything. It's going to squish that up quite significantly, I think. Anyway, let's get it on. Let's pop that on there like so. Where's the other one? Where's the back? Yeah, okay. And that goes around there like that. Like so. Screw in. Place the screw here, here, and here. So tighten it clockwise. Yes, that's in. Good. So now I just need to tighten them up, tighten this up, twist it into place, and we should be good to go. Oh, that's funny. In the manual it says put it on 2 o'clock if you're right-handed and 10 o'clock if you're left-handed. Well, my mum's right-handed, so why did I put it on the left-hand side about 6 years ago with the old one? Well, I've had no complaints, so that's okay then. Right, let me just tighten these last bits up and then we're give it a swell. Perfect. There we go, done. Great. Now I can send my 80-year-old mother out as an Uber driver. Bye for now.
Warning, not subscribing may cause mild regrets.